to Hi teacher. Today we will measure. Now we have a table. This is my handspan. This is the thumb and our pinky. This one. Okay. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. It's getting long. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To measure your foot span, start from toe to heel. First, we'll measure our foot span. There. I'm so locked in. I'm so locked in. Oh, I almost go to the line. Oh.
All right.
To measure the cubit. To measure from our elbow. 2 fingers. There it goes. Even 2 is there. But 3, yeah. 4. It's not
4.
5. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.